What if I told you the difference between ending up with 50 lakhs and ending up with 3.5 crores comes down to just one simple decision, not a secret stock tip, not expert level timing, and not predicting the market. Just how long you choose to stay invested. Sounds too simple, right? But let me show you how this one decision can change your financial future forever. So, hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, we all ask the same question, right? When should I invest? Is this the right time? Should I wait for a market dip, or should I invest after the elections, like after the budget or after the next crash? But let me ask you something. Has anyone, even the so called experts, ever predicted the market with 100% accuracy? If not, why do we keep trying to time the market? Isn't there a smarter or simpler way? The stock market is like the weather: sunny one day, stormy the next, volatile, unpredictable, and emotional. So instead of trying to guess its mood, what if we simply stayed on the journey long enough to let the market do its job? Because equity mutual funds don't need perfect timing to create wealth, they need time. And here's the best part: equity funds spread your money across 30, 50, and even 80 companies across different sectors, reducing risk while increasing your chances of long term returns. So, let's see what actually happens when you give your investments more time. So, imagine you invest 10,000 rupees per month in an equity mutual fund. No complicated strategies, just simple, consistent investing. For 15 years, total money you put in should be 18 lakhs, and final value at 12% average return would be 50.46 lakhs. That's already impressive, right? But here's where most people stop investing. They hit the 10 to 15 year mark and think, okay, I have done enough. But what if you didn't stop? What if you simply continued the same SIP for another 15 years? For 30 years, your total money invested would be 36 lakhs, and final value at 12% average return would be 3.53 crores. Now let's pause here. Your duration doubled, but your wealth didn't double. It multiplied by 7 times. So you invested 18 lakhs more but earned 3 crores more. How is that possible? So welcome to the world of compounding. Compounding is like planting a tree. For years, nothing dramatic happens. It grows slowly, quietly, almost invisibly. But after a certain point, the growth explodes. The branches spread, the roots deepen, and suddenly what looked like a small plant becomes a giant tree. That's exactly what your money does in the last 10 or 15 years of long term investing. So let me ask you, are you stopping your SIPs right before the explosion happens, or are you giving up right before compounding starts doing the heavy lifting? And are you ending a journey just when the real magic is about to begin? So here's the most uncomfortable truth. We overestimate what we can do in 1 year, but massively underestimate what we can do in 20, 25, or 30 years. Everyone wants fast results, but real wealth needs patience. And the ones who understand this, they don't try to time the market. They don't panic at crashes. They don't stop investing at the 10-year mark. They simply stay invested longer, because it's not about when you invest, it's about how long you continue to invest. So now the big question is not, is this the right time to invest? The real question is, will you stay invested long enough to let compounding make you wealthy? Because in the world of mutual funds and equity investing, time isn't just money. Time is everything.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.